Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Adams County in south central Pennsylvania, western York County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern Franklin County in south central Pennsylvania, Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania until 6:15 p.m. At 4:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Glossarville to near Shippensburg to near Fountain Head Orchard.
This is a severe thunderstorm warning for Adams County, Cumberland County, Franklin County, and York County, effective until 6:25 p.m.
Expects damage to trees, roofs, and siding. Locations impacted include Harrisburg, Chambersburg, Carlisle, Lower Holland, Hanover, Michaelstown, Waynesboro, Mechanicsburg, Camp Hill, Gettysburg, New Cumberland, Parkville, Enola, Shippensburg, Lemoyne, Greencastle, Hampton, Guilford, Shiloh, and Plainfield. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 207 to 245, Interstate 81 for mile markers 0 to 65, Interstate 83 for mile markers 25 to 42. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties: Adams, Cumberland, Franklin, and York. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 511, effective until 11 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Dauphin, Lancaster, Lebanon, Scripsville, and York. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect. Thunderstorm warning for Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania, York County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania until 7:15 p.m. At 5:51 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near 4 Indiantown Gap to Bainbridge to near Hanover, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: trained weather spotters. Impact: expects damage to trees, roofs, and siding. Locations impacted include Lancaster, York, Lebanon, Hanover, Hershey, Ephrata, Michaelstown, Elizabethtown, Columbia, Lidditz, Middletown, Millersville, Willow Street, Mount Joy, Palmyra, Parkville, Redland, Steelton, New Holland, and Spry. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 245 to 295, Interstate 78 for mile markers 0 to 8, Interstate 81 for mile markers 77 to 96, Interstate 83 for mile markers 0 to 36, Interstate 283 for mile markers 0 to 1. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties: Dauphin, Lancaster, Lebanon, and York. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 511, effective until 11 p.m. In northeastern Pennsylvania, Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania until 7:15 p.m. At 5:55 p.m., intense showers and embedded severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Pondville to near Lickdale to near Long to near Parkville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. This line may contain little or no lightning. Do not wait until you hear thunder before taking cover. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Reading, Easton, Lehighton, Mount Pocono, Bethlehem, Forks, Emmaus, Wyomissing, Northampton, East Stroudsburg, Tobiana, Wilson, Hellertown, Nazareth, Palmerton, Bangor, Birdsboro, Cuttstown, and Jim Thorpe. This includes the following highways. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 299. Northeast extension between mile markers 46 and 97. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 10 and 72. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 278 and 314. Interstate 380 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 13. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 11. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Carbon. The National Weather Service forecast. Thunderstorms were located along a line this evening above this ground. This line may contain little or no lightning. Do not wait until you hear thunder before taking cover. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Easton, Newton, Montague, Bethlehem, Pottstown, Dover, Phoenixville, Lansdale, West Norton, Hopatcon, Forks, East Norton, Emmaus, Northampton, East Stroudsburg, Hackettstown, Quakertown, Percy, and Doylestown. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 342 and 347. Northeast extension between mile markers 23 and 55. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 56 and 76. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 25. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 306 and 314. Interstate 0 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 38. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause... The following is a special weather statement from...